Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make this cute heart eye emoji keychain. It's super easy and beginner friendly. I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. We are going to start with the magic ring. So for that, take your yarn, wrap it around your two fingers, cross it over to create an X. Now take your hook, slide it under the first strand, pull the second strand and twist it. That's how your magic ring is ready. Now make a chain to secure it. Now we are going to walk into this ring. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring. Pull your yarn. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over one more time and pull through all your 3 loops. That's how you create a half double crochet. We need 12 half double crochet into that ring. So I have 2 here. There is 3 half double crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have made total 12 half double crochet into that magic ring. Now pull that tail nice and tight to close your magic ring. So now we have our perfect little circle. Now insert your hook into the first stitch of the round. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the stitch and loop already on your hook. And that's how we make our slip stitch, and our round 1 is complete. For round 2 we need 2 chain, and in the same place we will make a half double crochet. So in first chain we have 2 half double crochet, in second chain 1 half double crochet, in the same chain 2 half double crochet, in the third chain 1 half double crochet, in the same chain 2 half double crochet. So for round 2 we increase in every stitch around. This means you will put 2 half double crochet into each of the 12 stitches from the first round. By the end you should have 24 stitches. So here I am done with the 24 stitches. Now slip stitch into the very first stitch of the round 2. So our round 2 is complete. Now take 2 chain. In the same chain we make a half double crochet. So in first chain we have 2 half double crochet. In second chain 1 half double crochet. Then in the third chain we will make 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. Then in next first chain we will make 1 half double crochet, and in second chain 2 half double crochet. So for round 3 we are going to increase our circle. The pattern is 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, then 1 half double crochet in the next. So like that, in first chain we have made 2 half double crochet, then 1, then 2, then 1, then 2, then 1 and then 2. So that's how we will repeat this all the way around. By the end of this round we should have a total of 54 stitches. So I'm done with the 54 stitches. Now we will slip stitch into the very first stitch of the round 3. That's how our round 3 is completed. Now for round 4 we will take 2 chain, and in the same chain we will make a half double crochet. So in the first chain we have 2 half double crochet. Then in second chain 1 half double crochet. In third chain 1 half double crochet. In fourth chain we will make 2 half double crochet. In same chain 2 half double crochet. Okay, then in first chain 1 half double crochet. In second chain 1 half double crochet, and in third chain 2 half double crochet. So the pattern for this round 4 is 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, which is our increase, then 1 half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So like that in round 4, first we have 2 half double crochet, then 1 and 1, then 2, then 1, 1, 2 and 1, 1, 2. So that's how we will repeat this all the way around, and by the end of this row we should have 72 stitches. So I have completed the 4th row. Now we will join this with slip stitch. Now take a chain and cut the yarn, and like that our yellow circle is complete. We have to make one more in same pattern, so that will be the back portion of the emoji. Now let's give our emoji a happy face. For that, take a needle, insert black yarn into it, start from the second row and sew it skipping 2 stitches. For this step I wanted to focus on the visual. Just watch my hand placement and where the needle enters the stitch. It's much easier to understand by looking than by hearing. Just follow along with me at your own pace. So that's how our work with the black yarn is complete. Now turn it over and make a knot and cut the yarn. Okay, so let's move on the next step, which is the cute red heart eye. For that we have to make a magic ring. Take your 2 fingers, wrap the yarn to create an X. Now slide your hook into the first yarn, take your second yarn and twist it. So that's how we create a magic ring. Now take 2 chains. We will walk into the magic ring only. In magic ring, create 1 double crochet, then 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. Now again 1 double crochet and then 2 half double crochet. It's 1 and 2. Now 1 double crochet, okay. Now take 1 and 2 chain. Now slip stitch into the magic ring and take 1 chain. Now cut the excess yarn. Now for the best part, just pull the tail tight and watch it turn into a perfect little heart. Look how tiny and cute that is. Just like that we have to make one more. So I have made 2 heart here. So now let's sew it all together with the help of your needle. So first sew the yellow parts together. Just watch my hands closely. It's much easier to see the needle movement than to explain it in words. And don't worry about those loose ends. Just tuck all your extra yarn tails right inside the emoji as we are going to sew it up. It's like a little secret stuffing that keeps everything looking super neat and clean on the outside. Before we finish the whole round, we need to leave a tiny space for our stuffing. Here I am using curtain to give it that squishy 3D look, but this part is totally optional. If you don't have curtain in your home, you can even use your leftover yarn scraps to stuff it. Just use whatever you have on your hand to give it some shape. Watch how I just stuck a little bit of cotton inside it to give that squishy 3D look. Once it's nice and puffy, we will just sew it the rest of the way closed. So I have sewn it all the way around and our emoji is almost complete. Now insert your extra yarn with the help of your needle to secure it. Now it's time for the finishing touch. I'm just going to glue our heart eyes right into place. But if you want it to be extra secure, you can definitely stitch them on instead. And just like that, our red heart eye emoji is officially complete. It looks so cute just like this, but you can also add a keychain ring to take this little cutie with you everywhere and turn it into the perfect little accessory for your bag. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this crochet heart eye emoji, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment below what I should make next. See you in the next video. Bye bye.